In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to short a stock eToro. Shorting means you're aiming to profit if a stock's price goes down rather than up. It's a powerful tool, but it carries higher risk, so I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly. Start by opening eToro on your device. Once you're in, use the search bar to find the stock you want to short. You can type the company name or its ticker symbol. When you see it in the results, select it to open the stock's page. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct asset and that you understand its recent movement and volatility, since those will affect your risk. Next, click the trade button. This opens the trade window, which defaults to a buy order. At the very top, switch from buy to short. This tells eToro you want to open a position that benefits if the price falls. Always double-check that you see short selected before entering any details. This is the most common mistake people make. Now enter the amount you want to trade. On eToro, this is typically the total amount of money you're allocating to the position, not the number of shares. Keep in mind that your exposure can be larger than your cash amount if you use leverage, so choose an amount that fits your risk tolerance. Before placing the trade, consider setting optional stop loss and take profit levels. A stop loss helps cap your downside by automatically closing the position if the price moves against you beyond a level you set. A take profit does the opposite, locking in gains once your target is hit. You can set these by amount, percentage, or sometimes by price levels. Pick what's easiest for you to monitor. These aren't guarantees, especially during gaps, but they provide structure and discipline. If leverage is available for this stock, choose the multiplier carefully. Higher leverage magnifies both gains and losses and can increase overnight financing costs. Using lower leverage reduces risk and carrying costs, especially if you plan to hold the position for more than a day. When everything looks right, short selected, amount set, optional, stop loss and take profit in place, and leverage chosen, click Open Trade, Short. Your order will execute at the current market price or queue for the market to open, depending on timing. Remember, short positions profit when the stock drops and lose when it rises, and they may incur overnight and weekend fees. Monitor your position regularly and adjust your risk controls as needed.